See, definitely it's a short turnaround, but like you said, when you have a momentum in your side, you want that short turnaround. I think in this series, what I've seen, the ball is getting D-shaped too much. Definitely irritating for the players. दो हमारे senior बहुत बड़े player नहीं है, but how, like I said, कि यही opportunity होती है step up करने की.
Rishabh, from what we've seen so far, the coordination between you and Shubman, multiple times conversations, you going up, that seems extremely refreshing. Can you talk about the way the camaraderie is being built, how the team is coming together as a collective, the leadership group, you and Shubman?
When you have a good camaraderie of the field, I think it eventually shows on the field, and that is exactly what happened. What's happening? Because when two people trust each other, it's easier to do the same thing. The communication is better on the ground, and hopefully we can do the same thing with the whole team going forward and just make it one big unit.
ऋषभ इधर देश के लिए खेलते हो तो जिम्मेदारी तो होती है, लेकिन जब कप्तानी हो, उप कप्तानी हो, लीडर ऑफ द बॉलिंग पैक हो, बुमराह न होने की वजह से आकाश जी, ये कभी कभी जिम्मेदारी अच्छी हो जाती है फोकस करने में.
Bumrah was not playing because of workload management, but still Akashdeep stood up, Siraj stood up, and that is very nice to see कि ऐसे टाइम पे यही लेवल अप करके दिखाते हैं जब बॉलर, तो इवेंचुअली द टीम बिकम्स बेटर एंड बेटर.
ऋषभ, ये टेस्ट मैच ऑफ कोर्स 3 दिन पहले यू गाइज आर प्लेइंग ए टेस्ट मैच इन एट एजबास्टन, और बहुत ही शॉर्ट टाइम है दोनों टेस्ट मैच के भी. तो इज दिस टीम ए बिग बिलीवर मोमेंटम? आपको लगता है कि मोमेंटम एक फैक्टर है? ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ न्यू गेम, बट क्या मोमेंटम एक फैक्टर होगा?
See, definitely it's a short turnaround, but like you said, when you have a momentum in your side, you want that short turnaround. So we are not thinking about that too much. Yes, it's good for us to have a momentum, but still, eventually you gotta play the good cricket, and which team will play better will win eventually.
Have you got a chance to see the wicket yet? Because they have been talking about that there will be a little bit more of pace and movement there. Given the way your team has played on the last 2 pitches, do you think that you have managed to force them to deviate from their plans on playing flatter tracks to chase down bigger totals? Do you consider that as a win for you?
See, as a team, generally what we plan is whatever the condition is given to us. See, we don't want to think about what the opposition is thinking. Are they changing their plan or not? Whatever they're doing, we'll do our best and do better from there. Simple.
ऋषभ, लीड्स में जब हम सीरीज से पहले प्रीव्यू पीसी के लिए आए थे, तब विकेट बहुत हरी थी. मैंने आपसे पूछा था तो आपने कहा था कि यहाँ पर हमें आदत है, पता है कि हरी विकेट मिलेगी, लेकिन पिछले 2 मुकाबलों में विकेट बिल्कुल हरी नहीं थी, ना पेस उस लेवल पर, ना बाउंस, ना स्विंग. तो कितने अमेज्ड हुए आप लोग, और क्या ये आप लोग को फॉलो किया था आप लोगों ने पहले से कि इंग्लैंड जो है वो इस रणनीति पर अब खेलती है, अपनी बैटिंग को ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग करती है, और उसको किस तरीके से काउंटर किया आप लोग?
तो सी, यही बात हुई थी डिस्कशन की, विकेट अच्छे होंगे इंग्लैंड टूर पे, बिकॉज जैसे वो क्रिकेट खेलते हैं अपना, वो थोड़ा अच्छा विकेट ही चाहिए बैटिंग के लिए इवेंचुअली. तो हमारा यही था कि हम अच्छे विकेट में 20 विकेट कैसे निकाल सकते हैं. शुभमन भी बोल रहा था 20 विकेट के बारे में, वो इसलिए वो थॉट ऑलरेडी प्लान था कि इवेंचुअली बैटर्स हैव टू स्टेप अप, बिकॉज दो हमारे सीनियर बहुत बड़े प्लेयर नहीं है, बट हाउ, like I said, कि यही अपॉर्चुनिटी होती है स्टेप अप करने की, and people are doing that slowly. Eventually, we might do better as a team.
You've kept a lot to Jasprit Bumrah. What makes him so special?
I think everything. I think how accurate he is, the way his mind works. I think he's just amazing, man.
And is that late movement that he gets, is that particularly difficult for a wicketkeeper?
I think it's more difficult for the wicketkeeper behind the wicket than for a batsman, I guess, especially in England.
अभी आपसे पहले बेन स्टोक्स ने एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सी चीज़ बोली कि जैसे बॉल्स आउट ऑफ शेप जा रही हैं बहुत ज़्यादा, उन्होंने कहा कि ये गेज जो है, जो रिंग्स हैं, वो ड्यूक्स के लिए स्पेशल अलग से होने चाहिए. आपको लगता है, मतलब उन्होंने ये नहीं कहा, उन्होंने कहा ये ड्यूक्स के लिए नहीं है, ये जो रिंग्स है. आपको लगता है कि ड्यूक्स बॉल्स के लिए शायद अलग गेज हो, कि उसकी थोड़ी शेप अलग है उसको टेस्ट करने के लिए?
आई फील गेज सेम होना चाहिए, बट थोड़ा छोटा हो तो बेटर हो जाएगा.
पर कितना तकलीफ दे रही हैं बॉल्स इतने?
See, I feel it's a big problem because the ball is getting out of shape. But at the same time, it's not up to us because visually when you see the ball, you can see it's D-shaped, but the rules are like such until unless someone changes it, it's not up to the players.
Rishabh, I think it could be fun watching you bat against Jofra Archer. Are you looking forward to it in this test match?
See, personally, whenever I step on the field, I always enjoy my cricket and try to give my 200%. Not particularly about any individual, just being on the field. Yes, it's going to be good contest always because he's also coming back after a long break. Let's see how it goes.
You pleased to see him?
Yes, I'm happy he's back.
Rishabh, some of your teammates, including Shubman, have worked with Brendan McCullum before in the IPL at KKR. Have you spoken to them at all about what he's like as a coach and how he might have influenced some of them, particularly Shubman?
I think personally, I don't know as of now how personally he has influenced Shubman, but whenever you talk to you, Baz, you know, he gives you that freedom always. The conversation he does is always positive. And as a coach, you want someone to have positive conversation and gives you good feedback.
बट जब बीच में जो कम बातें करते हो स्टंप बाइक में आपकी खुद से बहुत बातें सुनाई दे रही हैं कि आप खुद को समझा रहे हो सीधा खेल शुभमन को बोल रहे हो सीधे बैट से ही खेलूंगा तो कुछ चेंज किया आपने या उन्होंने वॉल्यूम ज्यादा बढ़ा दिया है कि आपकी सारी बातें सुनाई देती है और बहुत खुद से आप बात कर करके एक ठहराव लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो बॉल छोड़ रहे हो जहाँ बशीर को आप मार सकते हो 6 में 4 तो आराम से थोड़ा उसके बारे में बताओ कैसे
नहीं जनरली आइडिया ये रहता है कि कीप टॉकिंग टू योरसेल्फ एज अ बैट्समैन बिकॉज
वो बढ़ाया है क्या आपने इस बार
नहीं हमेशा से ही बड़ा होता है बट क्या है स्टंप माइक में ज्यादा सुनाई देता है तो आप लोगों को पता थोड़ा ज्यादा हो जाता है कि कम्युनिकेशन नहीं होता ना बीच में बट अपने लिए एज अ बैट्समैन आई थिंक मैं सेम चीज कर रहा हूँ जो मैं एज अ किड करता था कीप टेलिंग माई सेल्फ बिकॉज माई कोच यूज टू टेल मी की कीप टॉकिंग टू यू जो मेरे लेट श्री तारक सिन्हा सर थे जो उन्होंने चीजें सिखाई हैं आई स्टिल ट्राई टू डू द सेम थिंग always.
Rishabh, I think this may have been asked already by Sid, but I didn't understand the answer in Hindi. So, do you think this series has had more balls go out of shape than previous series that you've played in? And also, with regard to that, is it satisfactory that the ring that's used, the universal ring, should be used for both Dukes and Kookaburra balls, in your opinion?
I think the ring can be the same for both the balls, but like you said, I think in this series, what I've seen, the ball is getting D-shaped too much. That has never happened like this too much.
Is it irritating as players for it to be happening?
It's definitely irritating for the players because, you know, every ball plays in different because when it becomes softer, sometimes it's not doing too much. But as soon as they changes the ball, it started to do enough. So as a batsman, you got to keep on adjusting to it. But at the same time, I feel it's not good for cricket eventually.
You're one of the players who tend to break the momentum of the opposition, and you've done that before in one of the finals in the World Cup. So do you do something differently? Do you think about that, or you just play your natural game? Or do you have that in mind that I have to do something differently to break the opposition's momentum?
See, for me personally, I try to have a very clear mindset when I'm batting. Just playing one ball at a time, that is something which has really helped me. But personally, when what other team is thinking, yes, I do have an idea what they want me to do. But eventually, you know, you have to have that self-discipline, how you're going to counter it. You have to make your own plans and just play the game.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.